Hello and welcome to Easy How To Videos. In this video, I will show you how to download and install TikTok on your smartphone. If you are using Android phone, you can download all the application you need using the Google Play Store. If you are using iPhone, you can download the application using the App Store. Here, I will show you how to download and install TikTok on your Android phone. First, before we open the Google Play Store, we have to make sure that we have an active internet connection. You can use the internet from Wi-Fi or mobile data to get access to the network. After that, you can open the Google Play Store. Before we can use the Google Play Store, we have to log into our Google account using our Gmail account. After we log in, now we can download all the application we need for our smartphone. Then we can search TikTok on the search bar on the top. Ignore if there's any ads and look for TikTok application with the right logo. Tap on the TikTok icon and hit the install or download button. Google Play Store will automatically download and install the application. After the download and install complete, we can start opening the TikTok app by tapping the TikTok icon on our home screen or application list. Now we have the TikTok application on the smartphone and we can start using TikTok by signing up or logging into our existing account. So that's it, my easy guide on how to download and install TikTok on your smartphone. Hope this video can help you and don't forget to subscribe and hit the ring icon to get a notification on my next easy how to videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day.